Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Forms for surveys and polls. Step 1. Create a new form. Click the blank and the plus button here. Then step 2. Add questions. Enter the title of your survey or poll in the untitled form. And then add questions. Click on the plus add question button to start adding question. Choose the type of question you want to include. Multiple choice, short answer, checkbox, or others. Then repeat the process to add more questions to your form. Step 3. Customize the form. Then step 4. Share and collect responses. And that's how to use Google Forms for surveys and polls. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!